Let's do it right now. Chico, let's do it. I got cameras rolling. These guys are multifaceted, man. Not just tree trimming. They do all kinds of stuff. They're working for a little extra salary today.
Yeah. Michael Jackson.
Yeah, we got it. Check this out, man.
Oh, yeah.
That's like really good. That is really good, man.
Yeah.
Check it out. Wow. Yeah, check it out. He's doing it, man. Yeah. He's got it. Chico?
All that. You know what I'm saying?
He's throwing it back to you.
Tony was breakdancing.
Hey, I can do this. Let me show you how you do the Michael Jackson.
Get in the sun a little bit.
I want to talk. Michael Jackson stole this from me.
Oh, okay.
Oh man, that's good. That's good. We got all the talent coming out today.
I go Texas dance, you know, I got my lady with me, you know what I'm saying?
Here, hold this for a second. Just hold it on me. And from my side of the tracks, this is what we do. We do polka. That's what I'm talking about.
That's good. That's good.
That's good. Hey, you put a YouTube